Guys, welcome back to my YouTube channel. I woke up, but don't judge about it because my guys put a title Squishy Collection, which I am really doing the Squishy Collection. So yeah. I got a new Squishy package. No. I got one new Squishy. That Squishy was bad. Like my rest of them, some of them were too. Oh. So some of them are homemade. Some of them are homemade. So I make ugly ones. First, I used to put this box to the cover clip. Okay, I got new Squishies, and I have been posting you guys. I'm gonna be nice, you guys can see. It was Squishies, and then yeah, so let's go. So ones are defect and ones are not. The first one is a watermelon and it is cat. My sister was biting it, I tried to fix it. Sorry. My sister with this Squishy, so she was biting it and I tried to fix it. The cord was sticking off. So I got this bag. So I need the card. And then I have this waffle cookie. And the bag is full, but also it's kind of fast. Yeah, this is just fake blood, guys. It's we had a Halloween party. I got stuck in it. Okay. It's kind of slow. Alright. That's the next. Let's get it right off. Alright, there we go. I fixed it. It just entered. This next one is this cupcake, and it's a super squishy. Like the first time I got it, it was like super squishy too. Like it will even like it's like it doesn't look like it's rising. I'm like, I'll come back when it's all set. Like when this is rice already, so. Alright, but it's already rice, but I forgot to pause the video. So, and guys, yes, we do talk in Spanish. Some Spanish. I think mommy, está en la bell. Alright, guys, let's go. This next one is this homemade Squishy Nutty Pizza one, which I have to finish with the sauce. This is the sauce already. I don't know why, but I just need the cheese. I'm still working out all of my homemade Squishies, but this is so slow.
Okay, elaborate.
Alright, this next one is SpongeBob. You guys can see the packaging, but this is homemade. I'm finished with this one. Like it has a hair. Kind of different.
Really?
It's a lot of effective. still. But it's okay. I'm finding all of these bags because I'm going to give them to me because he has bags, but I need to know that she has them. So, yeah. This next squishy is this kind of big, so I just have to cut out this part to be all good. So,
Oh, you're just saying that.
No.
I just,
No, I mean it.
but I still have to finish with the dough. I mean, this one's going to be different. I was gonna
Oh,
it's going to just be like a little regular, like the other pizza. This next one is this hamburger, and my brother broke the ear. My brother broke the ear. That's okay. And he well, yeah. So this next one is the new pink and eraser. I'm trying my best because it's pink and eraser because it's pink. It's so squishy. But like, I try my best. But yeah, this next squishy is this, and I don't know what to do with this. Like, it has a lot of defects. Should I just rip it off? There are mini marshmallows in. How they pink marshmallows? So I guess they're marshmallows. Sorry guys. Alright. Alright. I'm gonna go fast. Oh, yeah. The next one is this witch. I don't know why, but it has a defect there, so I know that witch has big nose. This next one is I don't know.
Sure did.
Pencil. It's a pencil with the pointed side, so mess it up. My last favorite one, but they did a defect on it. Like, does it still look good? Like, they put a defect on it. Because I let them play catch with it, they put a defect on it.
What do you get? That's it.
It may surprise you to know that I too have experience.
This cake, and it's my favorite. I'm gonna put them all in the box and cut you up. Alright guys, so those are all in my box. Now it's time for my bag. And this is my bag. There was goggles inside here, and they give me the goggles inside first. So I'm gonna see this color. Now, so let's go. This first one is a jumbo strawberry. It's super squishy. It's super squishy. Oh, this is my last bag of the squishy because I need to go buy more. This next one is a peanut. It's defected in the middle, not right here. It's kind of slow. This next one is this really fast rising bread.
We can't see it, right?
Then enjoy the flow.
This next one is this lemon. And this one I like it, but it's just so dirty and so defected. This next one is this cake, and so squishy too, but it's defective. The strawberries. These are from the Swamp Mall, not all of them, but some. Some are from the store, but This next one is a cinnamon roll. It's so defective. Like, look, like, even on these sides, this and this.
She said she thinks you're a jerk and to go away.
So, it's kind of big for my hand. But I get these jumbo squishies. It's a jumbo.
Go jump in the lake and possibly.
Oh, guys, look.
I can do it, you know?
What do you want? A medal?
Next one is this piece of ice cream. This is homemade, and it was really, really easy to do. But, well, I don't know how to make the new one because I made it like for a long time ago. And I got my first squishy that you guys saw that video. Go check it out. I don't know, it's long time ago. Like they were really easy, but this next one is just this ice cream that sits in this bag this was from a little squishy. And the cone is super small.
I'm sorry.
Alright. We're almost done. That note is too small. Guys, go from there. Different than that note. Well, this next one I used, and all my homework squishies are here too. Some of all my homework squishies are here. So this Ghost, and it just says, this Ghost. There's chocolate chip cookie and it's pink. When I make a little decoration. There's a lovely cat. This baby witch is a little cute because this baby witch is
Guess we finally did something right together.
so little.
Hang off the edge of the cliff here.
And this is another pink right here. So when I put them all in the bag. Alright, thanks so much for watching this squishy collection. And I hope you enjoyed it. If I took forever, just comment down below. But thank you so much for watching this squishy. And my favorite one is the cake. Not the one that the strawberry is with me. The one that has a defect in the bottom. Like, I love that cake so much. So, thank you guys.